Hi from EcoJ. I'm back with another summer solstice activity. The summer solstice is coming up on Saturday, June 20th, and it marks the official beginning of summer in the Northern Hemisphere and the longest day of the year. If you lived in Australia, you would be celebrating winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. Oh, by the way, that alpaca that is laying down, when alpacas sleep and take naps, they do it laying all the way down. Some people driving by see our alpacas laying in the field and they think that something's wrong, but not to worry, they're just napping. But today we're in the alpaca field because the alpacas don't eat daisies. And we are going to make a daisy crown today to celebrate the summer solstice. So, gonna pick some daisies.
Hi everybody, it's Mary Lynn. I am going to show you how to make a daisy chain, and I've collected all my daisies. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a little slit in the stem of the daisy. I'm going to try to show you. Can you see that? See how there's an opening? And that's what I'm going to put another daisy stem through. And so I make sure that the daisy stem doesn't have any leaves or anything like that on it. And then I'm going to stick the stem right through that little hole I made in the other stem. And now these two are connected. Ta-da! And now I'm going to make another slit in this stem. So you can see there's a little hole in that stem now. And now I'm going to take another daisy, take off any of the extra little leaves. This one is kind of long, so I think I'm going to pull it off a little bit. And then I'm going to stick it in the stem right there, like that. Now I've got three going. And you think you've got it long enough, so I think this is long enough to fit around my head because I've got a really big head, then you're going to make the last one big enough to fit the flower through. So it needs to be very big. And I'm going to fit this flower through this one. There we go. There's my daisy chain. Should I see if it fits on my hat? Oh, nice. Perfect for summer solstice. Let's see if it fits on one of the alpacas.
So Gaylord's being a good sport and it fits him perfectly, so he can help celebrate the summer solstice. And I hope you are able to make a daisy chain at home to help celebrate. Have a good day, everyone.